你全局的话，哎，正在直播呢。
就开始吧。
开始了。
待会儿时间不是有到。
没事，我们可以先弄了。
待会儿再开一遍。
不，直接开始。你看他那个抖音上就是这样。找不到什么。怎么样？学习现在没事。
我有问题。
那我上来，看我微信，你给我看。那我上来。我先给你搞视频打样。我现在都是我是不穿啊，哇，太长了，真是。Hello everyone， 哎，这个要开始了。先我就点一下啊。哇，这一下4个镜头。Hello everyone, this is Nico from Arfurla company, and today we will introduce you our professional and also popular laser machine. And on this laser machine, we have in total 10 functions per option. And later I will open the turn-on laser machine and I will introduce you one by one. And today I will mainly introduce you for the endo-left. Also we call it liposuction, lipolysis, lipo papada, or the eyelid removal treatment laser machine. No matter which function you use, it all belong to this laser machine with the fiber technology. And later I will introduce you one by one. And this is the fiber. This is the fiber I will introduce for you later with this laser machine. Okay, and this is our new case laser machine, and also this white one is also our laser machine, and on that part is our CO2 vertical CO2 fraction laser machine. Okay, and if you are interested in our other laser machine or other functions laser machine, you can leave message online. So when we receive it, we will introduce you that one for you. Okay, and today I will introduce you this new little case. Okay, and this is our regular little case, all white one, and this one is a white with the black color. Okay, okay, and next I will turn on the laser machine and I can show you how the laser machine will works. Okay. And before you see the laser interface, and you can see that we can put your logo. 看你老看我，看你刚才一直盯着我。And before the laser case, you can put your logo. You can put your logo on the first page of the laser system. So when you turn on the laser machine, and you can see your logo, and it will last for 3 seconds. For 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, the logo and the next page you can see the language piece. On the language piece, you can see that we can put 2 different languages on the laser system, and our standard languages is English and Spanish. If you need other languages, you can tell us, and we can produce it on the system for you with English and Spanish or Spanish with other languages that you want. Okay, and next we choose the English, and we enter into the interface, and we choose the lipolysis functions. Okay, and next, before we turn on using the laser machine, I will install the fiber. And before that, I want to introduce you the fiber first. You see, this is the fiber and the bale of fiber. This is using for the lipolysis treatment on the face only, like the double G, like the check on 2 sides, like the eyelid, and also like the eyelid eye bite. Okay, and also for treatment on body, like the belly, like your arm, and or your leg, or your back, anywhere that you need to do treatment. And for this fiber, we have 400, 600, 800 for option, and no matter which one you choose, you can all using it on our laser machine. And the connector is in standard international standard connector SMA905 connector. And next, I will introduce the fiber for you on the laser machine, and I will working on it for you, and you can see how the fiber will works on the laser machine. Okay, so before we turn on the laser machine, and we need to turn on the laser first. it's easy and more safer for you to install all the handpiece and fibers. And then we take off the protector on the laser machine interface part. Okay, and this is for the protect the connector on the laser machine part. So when you don't use it, we need you to put it on. Okay, and when you need to install the fiber, you need to take out, and we install the fiber on the laser machine. Okay, and in this way that you can see that we already installed our fiber on the laser machine, and then we can turn on the laser. You see, you can turn on the laser, and in this way. Also for this fiber, I just mentioned that the diameter is 400, 600, 800, and the length for the whole fiber is 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters for each one fiber, and each one fiber can be used for at least 50 times. Because this is the consumable after you treatment. After the treatment, you need to cut the used part each time after treatment. Okay, so to avoiding the infection between different customers. So for safety use, we need to cut use the part each time after treatment. So this is the consumable for the fiber with 3 meters and 400, 600, 800 diameter for option. Okay, and the next we enter into the interface, and we can, as you can see, we have different wavelengths on our laser machine for option. And also we choose the red light. So at this time you can see the red light. You see on the fiber, this is the red light on the fiber. And how we do treatment with the fiber on the face or body, I will show you later. Okay, and just show you on our side. I won't need to work. Okay, this is the fiber, and if you do treatment only on face, you don't need to buy handpiece. And if you want to do do treatment on both face and body, we suggest you to buy the fiber together with one handpiece. This is matched on body, like the arm, belly, leg, or back, using the fiber with a handpiece. And if you do treatment only on face, we suggest you only using the fiber because it's much more easy to do treatment. So I will show you later. Okay, please pay attention. And for example, if I do treatment only on double chin, you can only using the fiber. We're only using the fiber. This is more easy. And then we put the fiber inside of your double chin to do treatment, right? So we find a point here because most of our customers will do treatment start with this on the middle on your double chin, and you put the fiber inside of your double chin from the same one point. You see. From the same one point, put the fiber inside and you do treatment to different directions like this. And you need to do slowly. In this way, all the files inside of your double chin will be matched at the same time. Okay, this is why we need to do slowly. Okay, and for the how much energy you need to choose on the laser machine, we will send you all the files, like the suggested parameters, so you will know which mode you will choose, which energy you will choose on the laser machine. Okay, which one you will choose and which mode you will choose on the laser machine. We will send you all the files, you will know everything. And this is how to do treatment on double chin and also on the cheek. This is the same way on the cheek too. And also from one point here, and you put fiber inside of your face from the same one point, and then you do treatment like this. Also, you need to do slowly, okay? Because more slowly treatment will be make sure that all the fat inside of your face will be matched at the same time, okay? At the same time. Also, we have some customers who using the fiber to do treatment on face for wrinkle removal. Okay, wrinkle removal, that is a very good advice. As we share you the feedback from our other customers after the treatment, the wrinkle, no matter on the double cheek or no matter on your face, will be removed immediately after just a one-time treatment. Okay, this is how the fiber was the treatment not only for fat mating, for body slimming, but also for wrinkle removal. Okay, it's very, very good results. And we can share you the feedback from our other customers. You will know the good effect on it. Okay, this is the fiber of the fiber. To the treatment on face, not only on face, but also on the laser machine, sorry, on the face, on the body, face and the body. You see, face and the body. You see the fiber, face and the body, and then later I will testing the energy for you. I will testing the energy for you so that you will know how to working with it. Okay, this is the black paper, and then later I will testing the energy for you. And then we need using the photo switch. You see, this is the photo switch, and our photo switch is imported from Korea. Why we using such good quality photo switch? Because this is also very important part too. Because this is a controller on the laser machine. Without the photo switch, the laser machine will not work. So you need to get a good quality photo switch, because once it has problem, your laser machine will not work anymore. Okay, this is the okay, and the next, you see I will testing you the energy of a fiber. Okay, and I choose only 10 watts on the laser machine. Our laser machine is in total 30 watts, and right now I only choose 10 watts, and I choose CW mode, and I'm testing the energy for you. You see? You see? Oh, it's too high power. I mean, set it down. Okay, right now I choose only 5 watts. Okay, only 5 watts energy on the laser machine and the CW mode. Continuous mode. Okay, I will testing again. You see? You see? This is how the fiber will working. Okay. You see, I choose only 5 watts, and you can see it's very powerful energy. And our laser machine is 30 watts in total. You see? You see, 30 watts in total. And you can see how good power and strong power of our laser machine. The higher power is very important, because without enough power, the fat cannot be matched and the wrinkle will not be removed. Okay, because not enough energy. Okay. They're manufactured in China, especially from Guangzhou, and their laser machine is very, very cheap. You know, around few hundreds, $1,000 around. It's very cheap because the power is very low. It's around only 5 watts, 7 watts, or 10 watts. Okay, the power actually the power is decided by the laser generation, and it decides how much energy you will have on the laser machine. Okay, you see, this is the fiber on the laser machine, and I just showed you how to test the energy on the laser machine on the paper, and then I can show you another part together with a laser machine that you will receive. You see, this is our professional laser use glasses, and it will filter the lasers when it's working to protect your eye. This is very important because this glass can protect your eye and filter all the laser lights. You see, this is a professional laser glasses, and you see it's the strong light. And then when we put fiber on behind of the, you see the difference. If you see the difference, this is what you will see behind the glasses when you see the light. You see the light. See, this is how it will protect your eye. Some other factories in China market, and they were using the very cheap glasses, and that is industry use, not for lasers use. Okay, this is a professional one. So before you buy the laser machine, you need to check. Okay, before you buy the laser machine, we suggest you to check all the accessories that you will receive on the laser machine. Okay, you need to check all the professional parts that you will receive. You need to make sure all the parts will be professional, because all of the parts are very important. Okay, they are necessary and also important. Like I told you, one of the glasses and also of the switch. No matter each part on the laser machine, they are all very important, because each part it will have a big effect on you. You can see, I already have a laser glasses, and when I take the protect glass, it's very match. You see, and when I shove it, it's very tight. You see. and then I work with the fiber and working on the paper. You see, it will protect my eye. Because when I see here, I only see a very tiny, small red spot. And then this nose burst is very easy, you see. You see, when I'm wearing the glasses, it's much more comfortable on my eye. 你打他屁股，不然有人跟他玩呢。You see， 干嘛？使劲。You see, this is how the fiber we are working on the paper and how the glasses will protect your eye. Okay, no matter which part on the laser machine, no matter for the glasses, no matter for the photo switch, okay, all the parts are very important because all of the parts will directly affect your laser machine. For example, this is the controller on the laser machine. Once the quality your laser machine receives the bad quality controller, it will stop working your laser machine. Okay, so this part is very important too. And also the switch is imported from Korea. Okay, it's from Korea. It's very good quality, and you can see the brand here. Okay, you can see the brand here and the brand here. Okay, it's very good quality because this is a very important part too. Without it, or if you are low quality food switch has any problem, the laser machine will not work anyway. It's the controller on the laser machine. And also the glasses is protect your eye. Some glasses that offer to you from the company is not very good quality because that will not protect your eye and it's very cheap. And our glasses profession, do you see on site? There are some words like it will protect and feature the light from 250, 480, and also 740 to 1800 nanometer. Okay, it will filters all those laser lights to protect your eye. It's very professional glasses. Okay, next Kayla will introduce you or other functions or other. Okay, welcome, Kayla.
Hi everyone, this is Kayla, and next I will introduce our other handles and the fibers. And for our systems, we have total 10 functions. So that for the system with 10 functions is for free. Just the different function use the different handles. So you don't need to buy all the functions at once. You can choose which function you are interested in most and you most need it recently. And for that, when you receive your machine, your machine system is still in 10 functions, and when you want to use other functions next time, you just need to buy the handles and the fibers. And just the Nico introduced our lipolysis functions, and for these functions we use the optical fibers. As you can see, the optical fiber, the output line is as a straight line. So, and we also have another fibers which is a radial fibers, but the output line is as a circle. And next I will show you. The optical fiber with the radial fiber is very different. For our optical fiber, we can be cut down the user fiber and can continue to use the rest of fiber. But for our they have the white coat, and they have the white coat out of the bare fibers to protect it. And so when you use it, you need to peel off the white coat, and before you use it, you can measure how many lengths you need to use this time. Then you can peel off how many lengths of the white coat. But for our radial fiber, they have the glasses tips. There is the glasses tips, and cannot be cut down. Generally, one patient with one fibers. But if you want to use it too many times, then you can look at the gases tubes. If the gases tube is still in good condition, then you can use it second time after the sterilized it. And for our radio fiber, there also have two kinds of gases tips. One is with the round tips, and another is one with the sharp tips. For our round tips, we generate two treatments with the EVLT, PLDD, and fistulus. And for our sharp tips, we generate a treatment with the hemorrhoid. And next, I will install our real fibers to the machine. When we replace the fibers and the handles to the machines, it's better to turn off the machine first and then replace each. And as you can see, each of our fibers, handles, and the machine, the connector has a protect caps. So when we don't use each and sterilize each, we must remember to cover the protect caps to avoid the dust. And now I will install our radio fibers. And turn on the machine. And for our systems, we can add the logo for the three systems for free. So if you want to add the logo, you can send us the logo, the photo of your logos. So that when you turn on your machine, you will see your logo to 2 to 3 seconds. And for the language, you can tell us what language you want. We also can help you to change it. And for the flags, it depends the language. Also, if you want to other flags, we also can help you to put it. And for our radio fibers, now I install the radio fibers with round tips to the machine, so we can do the treatment with the EVLT mode, PLDD mode, and the hemorrhoid. For our EVLT mode, if you buy our machine with the EVLT functions, you will receive the one fibers, the machines, and also we will send you the set of the EVLT kits, one machine for one free the kits, and for our PLDD. Also, if you buy our PLDD fibers and the functions, use the PLDD functions, we also will send you the PLDD kits. And next, I will tell you how to test our radio fibers. So when you receive the machine, you can test it. When we test it, it's better to set the energies to the max. And for the realized brightness and the press standby, then you will see the realized. As you can see, the radio fiber. The red light is at the circle. The output line is at the circle. As you can see, it's very different from the optical fibers, because optical fibers output line is is a straight. And next, I will tell you how to test it. When we test it, to set the energies to the max and adjust the red light brightness and press the standby, then you will see the red light and step the switch. It's better to find a black paper and then make it as a circle and put the fibers in the center of the circles. Just like this. And press the first switch and test it. And during your test, you will feel the paper. You will feel the paper become warm, and then you will see the smoking. As you can see, the smoking. So that means the fiber is working normal and the machine is working normal. If you want to use the radio fibers too many times, must remember to carry these gases tubes. These gases tips, if still in good condition after the treatment, then you can do the trim second times after the sterilize. If you want to use the third time, you also can look at the gases tubes and sterilize it, and then use it the third time. And next, I will introduce our vaginal tightening handles. Because for our vaginal tightening handles, it also have the radio fiber inside the handles. And for the radio fiber, if you want to use many times, you must remember when you don't use it, you need to protect it as well. To make it in their package and keep it as well.
有买家进入直播间了。
And when you don't use it, must remember not, because the fiber is hard and not similar with the optical fiber. So when you don't use it, must remember don't bend it and make it as a circle in the package to keep it as well. And also the protect cap is very important. And then make in the package. Like this. And next, this is our vaginal tightening handles. As you can see, the handles is one handle with two gases tubes. So that, if for example, today, just now you have you just finished a treatment with a patient with vaginal tightening treatment, and still have a patient need to do this treatment, so that you just need to sterilize the gases tubes and install another gases tube to the handles. Then you can directly to do the treatment. You don't need to sterilize the whole handles, just need to sterilize the gases tubes. And next I will install our vaginal touching handles to the machine. And when you receive the handles, you will, as you can see, they have the radio fibers in the handles, so that when we install it and start to working, you will see the output line is as a circle and is same as the radio fibers. And then turn on the machine. Install the gases tubes. It's very easy to install it, as you can see. And then choose the functions in the first page. And for our general type, for our systems, they have the 3 treatment mode can choose. There are single mode, pulse mode, and the single mode. And for the energy speaking up to the 30 watts, after you buy our laser machine, we will send you the user manuals and all the user manuals and the each function's details, also including the treatment parameters who is provided by our doctors who was used our machines. As you can see, the output line is as a circle, same as the radio fiber, because they have the radio fiber inside the handles. Also, if you want to test the handles, then you can test same as before I show you with the radio fibers. It's same as the radio fibers. Then you can test it. And after you finish the treatment, you don't need to sterilize the whole handles. Just need to sterilize the gases tubes. Just need to sterilize it. So this is very convenient. Also, after you buy the handles and receive the machine, or if you want to buy the more gases tubes, of course you can directly to contact us, then we can place an order with you. And also when you finish the treatment and finish the sterilized gases tubes, remember to keep as well. Keep it in safe place. For our laser machines, we have total 10 functions, and the different function you with different handles. For example, you buy our lipolysis functions, and as the first time you only want to buy the one fibers to test, and then after in the future you want to buy more fibers, then you can contact us directly, then we can produce, and then we can place the order with you and give you the suggested.
有买家进入直播间了。
If you want to have, if you have any questions and interested in our laser machine, then you can tell us your requirements. We can, according to your needs, to produce your laser machine. Okay, next, our coverage area will introduce our other functions and the handles.
Hi everyone, this is Aria from Arfurla company, and we are here to introduce you our multifunctional cell lead, and today I'm here to introduce you guys our physical therapy function. Yeah, the physical therapy function is very popular on the United States. As you can see here is our physical therapy handle. It's very professional designs, and you can adjust to this both sides here. It's very easy to do. And the physical therapy treatment is very popular on the United States. Yeah, because the physical therapy treatment can relieve all kinds of pains. Yeah, and speed up the wound healing, and it is also can use for the skin rejuvenation. Yeah. So if you are not a doctor, if you have a spa or you just want to use this function, yeah, this physical therapy function in your house, it's okay because this operation is very easy and it is don't need any skills. You just need to put the handle on the treatment site and keep moving. Yeah, it's enough and it's very easy and safe. And now I will show you how to install handle on our laser machine. Yeah. Before you install handle on the machine, yeah, we suggest you to turn off the machine. Yeah, it's very easy to install it. Just to turn off the machine, and yeah, as you can see, here is the little train here. Yeah, you just need to insert the handle connector here. Yeah, as you can see, it's very easy. And don't worry about the installation because after you buy our laser machine, yeah, we will send you the professional installation video, yeah, to help you. So don't worry about the installation, it's very easy, yeah. And then when you install the handle like this, yeah, and turn on the machine again. Like this. Yeah, if you want to put your logo on our machine system, it's okay because we offer the free logo service. Yeah, we can put your logo on our machine system. You just send us your photos about your logo or your clinic name or other photos you want us to put on your machine system. Yeah, so if you put the logo on the machine system, when you turn on the machine, you will see your logo first. Yeah, and as you can see here, this is the language interface, and the standard language of our laser machine is English and Spanish. If you are from other country, you want to change our machine language, it's also okay. You can send us a request. We will change the language for you. And as you can see, our laser machine has 10 functioning system. And after you buy our laser machine, we will also keep you guys this 10 functioning systems for free. So in future, if you want to use other functions, you can, yeah, you just need to buy handles from us. It's very easy. And today we are here to introduce you our physical therapy function. As you can see, when you enter the physical therapy interface, you will see each treatment area on the system. For example, like head and neck, or other treatment area. If you have some professional, if you want to do more professional treatment, of course it's okay because this system is very professional system. Yeah, it shows all different treatment sites on body, on the and on the head, or some very professional treatment sites. And as you can see, for example, if you want to, if we have some pants on the arm, yeah, we can choose. We can choose this option, yeah, general, and then press enter. You will enter our physical therapy interface. As you can see here in our physical therapy interface, if you have some requests for the wavelength, yeah, don't worry about it, because we can meet your all requests for the for this function, yeah. And as you can see, there are two wavelengths, yeah, 980 nanometer and 1470 nanometer. And this is our new system. Yeah, you can use these two. You can use these two wavelengths together or separate. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah, if you just wanted to use the 980 nanometer, yeah, please click this button here, and the button will become the pink. Yeah, and then you can adjust the power, and the power of the 980 nanometer is 30 watts adjustable. You can adjust the power from 1 to 30. Yeah, like this. Because this is a control button, you can control the 980 nanometer from 1 to 30. Like this. It's very easy. Yeah. If you wanted to do the treatment on the arm, yeah, we suggest you can adjust the power to the 13 watts. Just adjust the power like this to the 13. And there are 3 working modes: CW mode, pulse mode, and single mode. Yeah, we suggest you can choose the CW mode, because it means your laser will work during treatment time. Yeah. And please stand by. As you can see, there is a red light here. There is a red light here, and it doesn't mean your laser is working, because you need to stop the foot switch during our treatment. Yes, as you can see here in our foot switch, yeah, it's a control button. Yeah, when you stop the foot switch, your laser your laser is working. Yeah, and as you can see on the system, there is a timer option. Yeah, you can adjust the timer from 1 minute to 60 minutes. For example, if you want to do the treatment on the arm, yeah, one treatment for the arm will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, and you can adjust the power. You can adjust the timer to 20. Yeah, just like this. And don't worry about the parameter. First, after you buy our laser machine, we will send you the parameters that's offered from our very professional, very experienced doctors who used our laser for many years, and they offer those safe parameters to help you to do treatment. Yeah. So when you set the parameter, timer, working mode, and then you can start to do the treatment. Yeah, it's very easy. Just step the foot switch during treatment, and put the handle on the treatment site. Yeah, and keep moving. You just need to keep moving. Yeah, and then you will feel the treatment site is very, very. You will feel your treatment site will feel very warm and comfortable. Yeah. So even if you are not a doctor, you can also use this function, because you just need to keep moving the physical therapy handle like this. It's very easy. So you can use it. in your house by yourself because it's very easy. Just need to keep moving. It also can, you can. If you have some stomachache, you can also put the handle on the on these parts, and you will also feel very warm. Yeah. One treatment at least will take you about 20 minutes. Yeah, to in order to relieve your pains, you just need to keep moving the handle. Yeah, on your shoulder. Yeah, you can also do the physiotherapy treatment on your face because it can do skin rejuvenations. Yeah, just need to keep moving. So it can be used on the physical. It can be used for the medical clinic or spa. Yeah, because it's very easy to operate. Yeah, and as you can see, when you start working, the time will start to record. So if your treatment time is up, the laser will stop working. Yeah, so you don't need to notice the treatment time. It's very easy for you, and you can also adjust the spot size like this. And don't worry about the how to adjust the spot size because we will send you the detailed video, to teach you how to adjust the spot size like this. It's very easy to adjust. Yeah, and if you have some requests for the for the physical therapy treatment, we have another very professional physical therapy treatment handle. Yeah, if you want more information about that physical therapy handle, you can contact us or text on our live streaming, and we will introduce you our other. Yeah, we will introduce you our another very professional physical handle. Yeah, and next our colleague will introduce you our another function.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Jason, and thanks Ariel introduce you our physical therapy handpiece, and here now I will introduce you our other handpiece, and here you can see this is our vascular removal handpiece. Here you can see it's very professional, and here you can see. This is a yellow handpiece with a yellow cable here. Okay, here and you can see all our handpiece is one handle with one cable. Here you can see this is the physical therapy handpiece, and this is the vascular removal handpiece. Also, this is our nail fungus removal handpiece. You can see all our handpiece is one handle with one cable. So between the handpiece and the cable, you can see there is no gap here. You can see no gap, so the dust never made into the handpiece. On the market, many factories they use one cable for the 3 or 4 handpiece. They share one cable for 3 or 4 handpiece. That's easy to make dust into this gap because they share one cable for 3 or 4 handpiece. There will be a big gap, and you can see our handpiece. There is no gap here. You can see this is very professional, and that's why so many customers choose us and buy our laser machine. Okay, and here you can see there are 8 sport size. Here you can see there here are 7 sport size, and here is 1. So totally for the vascular removal handpiece, there are 8 sport size for our handpiece. It's very professional. Our on the market, if you know the market, other factory manufacturers also supports only 3 to 4 sport size. What is sport size for? Because if you when you do the treatment, you need to choose the different spot size to do the treatment. Okay, and now first let me install the handle piece. And when you don't use the laser machine, you can put the handle on the handle holder, and then turn on the laser machine, off it, and then install the handle piece. When you install the handle piece, you need to be quick and never use your hand.
有买家进入直播间了。
You need to be quick. And install it, it's very easy. When you install the handle piece, never use your hand to touch the connector and never expose the connector on the air for a long time. Okay, it's easy to make dust into the laser machine. Okay. Okay, and you can see install handle piece is very easy, and also after you buy the laser machine, we will send you the videos. We will send you the user menu and the documents after you buy our laser machine. You don't need to worry. And also we will send you the parameters after you bought the machine. If many doctors, many factories they don't support the parameters, but we have the parameters. We will send you after you buy the machine. Okay, and here you can see two languages, English and Spanish. You can choose the languages if you want other languages. Tell us, and our engineer will set the language for you. Okay, and here you can see there are 6 functions here on the first page, and the second page here you can see find functions. So our
有买家进入直播间了。
machine totally supports 10 functions and 1 cutting functions. So if you want other functions, you just need to buy the accessories for functions, and you can use these functions on our laser machine. First time you can buy, you want which functions you want. If you want to buy the vascular removal, you can buy vascular handle first, and in the future, if you want other functions, you just need to buy the handle piece or the accessories. You don't need to buy one more machine. Okay. And here on the first page, you can see the vascular removal functions, press it, and then you can see into the parameter systems here. You can see CW for single, and for these functions, doctors usually choose the CW or the single mode. And here you can see you can set the energy here. You can see press it, and you can adjust the energy here. And for the CW mode means after you press the switch, the machine is working all the time. You just need to move the handpiece. And for single mode, you press the first switch one time, and the machine work one time.
有买家进入直播间了。
Let me show you. Press the first switch, and then here you can see now no red light, because here you can see the red light. You can see it here. Turn on the red light here, and you will see the red light. What is red light? You can see this is the red light. You can adjust the red light to see it clearly, and so that when you do treatment, you can see the treat areas clearly, and you can see the difference when you adjust the red light here. And when they do treatment, different areas, different spider vans, you can choose the different spot size. You can see this spot size is 1.8 millimeters. You can see, and if you want other spot size, let me show you. Let me show
有买
you
家进入直播间了。
another one. Small one spot size. You can see, you will see difference, and this one 0.7 millimeters. Let me show you how to install it. You can see it's very easy, and put out it, then install the new one. You can see it's very easy. And then install the tip on the handle. You can see it's very easy to install it and press the first standby. Here you can see the difference. Now spot size is smaller than before. You can see only you can see the small spot size, and when you do the treatment, you can do like this. You can move the handpiece, press the first switch, and then move the handpiece. You can see like this. Move along the spider van and do it. And for different spider van, you need to choose different energies. For different areas, also need to adjust the energies. After you do treatment, if you do treatment correct, after you do treatment, the spider van after treatment you will see a white line after the treatment like this. And if you do it first time, you can use single mode and move along with the spider van. Use single mode and do the treatment alone, like this. When you do the treatment with a single mode, press the first switch, the machines work one time, so you need to press the first switch more time. You can see, to like this. For example, let me show you. For example, you can see the black line, and when you do treatment, you can see the right point here. So you can locate this line and then make the right point on the line and do the treatment. You can see. And if you do the correct, you will see a white line here. Okay, this after you do more time, you will see this treatment is easy. Okay, and now let me show you another handpiece. Okay, this is our another handpiece. This is our nail fungus removal handpiece here. You can see this one is also a yellow handle and yellow cable here. And you can see this is very professional yellow handpiece. And if you know the market, you can see you can search the handpiece on the Alibaba. Many suppliers they choose the cheap handpiece. You can see the difference between ours and others. Others usually they share one cable for three treatment handpiece. For example, the vascular removal, the nail fungus, the physical therapy, they share one cable for the several handpiece. So there will be a big gap here between the handpiece and the cable. Here you can see this is our handpiece. It's very professional.
有买家进入直播间了。
And first install it. Also, if you change the handpiece, you usually click never expose the connector in the air. Okay. You can see install the handpiece is very easy. We will send you the video to show how to install the handpiece. And okay, here and in this system you can see the nail fungus removal here. Only come process nail fungus removal. And here you can see
有买家进入直播间了。
see the parameters here. Hi dear, welcome to our live streaming, and then you can do treatment. For example, here you can see you can do treatment for the nail fungus removal. For finger, here you can see. Did you see it? See the red light here? Yeah, you can do treatment like this. And then move the handpiece. Because the spot size is small, so you can start the energy from small. Also, vascular removal and treatment, you need to start from the small energies. And for the different areas, you can choose adjust energies during the treatment, because different treatment, different patients can bear different energy. Okay. Also, we will send you the parameters after you bought the machine. You can see.
有买家进入直播间了。
And all our doctors use the parameters, get the good results. You don't need to worry. Okay. And after you use our machine, you will get the same good results. Okay. And now you can see, you can do like this for the patients. It's very easy. You can see it's very easy to do treatment. You just do like this, like me. Now you can see many doctors buy it for the clinic, and also many doctors buy this for home use. You can see it's very easy. You can do it for yourself, for the patients, for family. It's okay, no problem. Okay, and this is all about this handpiece. And if you want to know other handpiece, you want to other functions, tell us, and you can tell us on Facebook, on the Ins, or other on
有买家进入
Alibaba.
直播间了。
Hi dear, welcome to our live streaming. Here you can see this is our nail fungus removal handpiece. Do you interested in it or other functions? You can tell us, and I will introduce to you. Okay, and for next time you can tell us, leave the message on our Facebook in Alibaba, and we will show you the handpiece and tell you how to use it, how to install it. Okay, and today's live streaming is here, and see you next time. Bye bye.
今天新的这个老片看了也啥也没有，那个外欧，然后上，然后那个隔一个那个隔着